Rap Fame app, Rap Music Studio, record and make raps on beats. 60,000 ratings app so far, quite high in the charts. All-in-one rap recording studio, trusted by over 20 million artists, 10,000 plus hot beats. World's biggest app for rappers. Promote your music, share your tracks, win prizes. Try being a rapper yourself. Edit your voice tracks and use a huge library of hot beats. Sound like a pro on your phone with the latest rap studio. Discover new music. Choose a beat from a rich library of beats. Rap recording studio. Find rhymes for your lyrics without a rhyme. Find a rap profile. Showcase tracks. Top charts. Hot feed. Rap contestants. Live feed. So this is both like a rap studio and social media for rappers. So you can easily sign in. There you can try free and subscribe. There is a 3-day free trial, then $8 per week. Then there is a gift if you try to close it. No, this is the same subscription. So then you can upload your track, get heard by real people, get prizes. You can upload track from your files. And then you can just try recording. So you can play example, you can see the lyrics, you can try to rap it. And then you just see how you can start it, how you can browse it. You can see your account. You can see some hot tracks like social media. You can search for people. You can see charts, top songs. And you can see your account, settings. So that's the idea. Then you also have coins. You can get badges for free. You can get these coins by just doing some of the steps. Invite a friend. Tap to get your personal link. And then you can just use this app. So feel free to use my personal code, and then that's basically how you can use it. So something like that in here. That's basically how you use this app. Feel free to get my link, and you will get 100 badges.